Hey guys, what's up? This is Tyler, and today I will be showing you a simulator of the Nazi code-making machine, the Enigma. So, what is the Enigma specifically? Well, it's almost reminiscent of an early computer, and it is an extremely complex machine invented by the Nazis in World War II to send encrypted messages. It took the Allies forever to figure out how to crack the code. Fortunately, however, we eventually did. So there's a simulator that you can download of this machine, the Enigma, from the website enigmaworldcodegroup.com, which is here. And so what you want to do is just go to download the Enigma simulator and follow the on-screen instructions. And then you'll get a program that comes up that looks a lot like this. So I'll be showing you a really simple way to create encrypted messages and create really simplified code sheets because the authentic way of doing them, well, here's what an authentic code sheet looks like. Yeah, half of it's in German, it's just a wall of text. And trying to learn it on your own can be a little challenging, so I'll show you a really simplified way that you and your friends can create easy code sheets. So what you're going to want to do is you also want to have Notepad ready. And here's some of the internal features of the Enigma. So if you pop the cover here, these are the insides. So you can change what kind of Enigma it is, what model, because there are a few. We're just going to leave it as the watermark UKWB. It's the default one that comes up just for simplicity's sake. And we have three rings here. Each one is numbered. We have number 1 first, number 2 second, number 3 third, but you can change the order of these, and you can take out different rings here. So, for example, if we want to take out ring 3, and we just put it back here, so we click on that, it pops out, then we put the ring back in the space that we want it, so we'll just click there. And then say we want to put ring 5 where ring 3 used to be, so then we just click it there and click it in. So first thing what you want to do if you change the rings, then you want to make a note of it on your code sheet. So ring 1, then ring 2, then ring 5. Now click here to close the top again. And now there's another thing that we can change. If we click down here, we have a plug board, and these are just going to scramble up everything even more now. So say we put a plug on Q, and we put a plug on, say, E. And now you see those switch. So Q is E and E is Q, if that makes sense. So we put a plug on Q and then we put a plug on E. It's important to remember the correct order in which we did this too. And so we put another plug on G and then we put a plug on N. So then after the space we do a G and then an N. Now we can start making an encrypted message. So we click back here, and now we're at the keyboard. Click down here and you can see exactly what it is you're writing. Now typically, whenever you click a key, then its equivalent would pop up on here, it would light up, and then you'd have to write it down by hand. But because this is a computer simulation, it'll just type it out for you so you don't have to write anything down. So here we go. So say we type hello, so H, and then down here you see we have an H, and under it we have a D, and the D is what it's going to be translated into. And we have an E, and then an L, and O. Now if we click down here and click to clipboard, that just copied the translation, and then we paste it here, and then that's what hello got translated into. DJNPI. Now, why go through all this trouble of making a machine to do these things? Well, I don't know if you noticed, but there's two L's in hello, and each one has a different value. The first L gets translated into N, and the second L gets translated into P. Why is this? Well, to make things even more confusing. Look, if we continually type H, each value of H is different. So for the first H we have O, the second H we have M, third H we have J, fourth H we have C, and then the fifth H we have an A. So every time you type a letter, it's going to be something different. That's why it took so long to crack the code. So anyways, now if we close out of our Enigma, and now say we give this code sheet here that we generated to a friend with the 2 settings here and the secret message. Now, your friend opens up his Enigma and wants to crack the code. So first he's going to open up his Enigma. He's going to see that first we need the first ring, which we have, then the second ring, then you need the 5th ring. So you take out the 3rd one, put it back in the space, take out the 5th one, put it in that space. Now close up the machine, and we go to the plug board. Plug on Q, then a plug on E, then a plug on G, then a plug on N. Now we go back to the keyboard, and we're going to type out D, J, N, P. Notice this isn't a typical QWERTY keyboard, so I'm having trouble finding some of the letters. P, I. And then there we go. And then we can do to clipboard. And then what was output? It translated that back into hello. So that's just a simple overview of how to use the Enigma simulator from the Enigma World Code Group, which the website again is enigmaworldcodegroup.com. And you can download some other tools if you want to make something like this really complicated code sheet or learn more about how to read this wall of text. There's more help on this website, and you can download more tools like Codebook Generator Tool and some other PDFs to help you out. And you can also become a member. And right here is a picture of the original machine. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be glad to help out if I can. I don't pretend to be an expert on this, so I just downloaded it recently, and I just think it's something that's sort of cool to play around with your friends. So, Tyler out.